All right, so high school R, we are increasing by 20 students per year. And we currently have 200 students. So R, maybe the equation that would represent that would be 200 students plus 20 every year. And we'll call X the number of years. So right now we have, the high school R has 200 students, but 1 year from now, if we plug in 1 for X, we're going to have 220 students. Okay? Now, the other high school T, has 400 students, but they are decreasing by 30 students per year. So we're going to minus 30, and then X represents the number of years. When will they have the same enrollment? So depending on the year, this represents number of students at high school R. This represents the number of students at high school T. Well, what we can do is we can set those equal to each other. So what I have here, let me get rid of this, is I'm going to have, whoops, 400 minus 30x equals 200 plus 20x. We're going to see when they equal each other. So I'm going to, let's see, get the x's on the same side. So I'm going to add 30x. I'm going to add 30x here. We get 400 equals 200 plus 50x. Then I'm going to subtract 200 on each side. So we get 200 equals 50x. Oops, that's 50x. And then we divide by 50. So 200 divided by 50 is 4. And it will be 4 years when they have the same enrollment. If we want to figure out what the enrollment is going to be, we plug in 4. Plug in 4 right here. 20 times 4 is 80. And then 200 plus the 80 is 280. That's how many students will be at each school. If we want to double check that, plug in 4 right here for X. 30 times 4 is 120. And if you take 400 minus 120, you're going to get the 480, or the 280.